So now we're going to set up your StreamElements. At this time, the first thing that you're going to do is to type StreamElements. Pwede ding streamelements.com. So may mag-appear dyan, guys. So just select the first one that will appear, StreamElements, and then select the social media account. And we're working on your YouTube, so YouTube yung pipiliin natin. We are just going to wait until we are connected, and then you will have this option, guys, to select an account or email ng YouTube account mo. So we're going to select one, and of course always allow access. Waiting. So you're just going to scroll down, guys, to see the option on how to for you to join your YouTube account. Ayan, at the very bottom you have that join channel. So itap mo yung join channel. Ayan, tap mo lang yung join channel. And just like Nightbot, guys, you are to select a link to copy. Ayan, i-copy mo lang yung http://youtube.com StreamElements. Ayan, i-copy mo yan. Tapos, pumunta ka doon sa, again, community ng YouTube dashboard mo. Ayan. Community, and then samahan mo yan siya si StreamElements. Always put a space after ng link para mag-suggest. Okay? After that, i-save mo na. Save mo na yung setting. Yung changes, and save. So yun lang, guys, it's like you're setting up a Nightbot. This is using your phone, ha. Merong different setup using your laptop. So I'll have another tutorial for that one. So for now, guys, yun lang ang gagawin mo whenever you're going to set up your StreamElements. Just type StreamElements and then select the first one that will appear, and then select the social media account, which is YouTube, and then choose the email, set it up, and then scroll down at the very bottom. You will have their join button, join channel. Just tap on join channel, and then go to community for you to put the StreamElement as the moderator. So setting up your timer tayo, guys, because walang command ang StreamElements. So for the timer, i-click mo lang yung add new timer, and then you can choose whatever name that you want. I'm just going to put here Emzkie as an example, and then of course the message that you want to have there. So anything that you want, basta isali mo lang yung link ng bahay. So yun na yun, whatever message that you want there. And then ayan, always make it 5, guys, para madali lang yung pag-drop, hindi masyadong matagal yung dropping of house from one to another. Ayan. So once you're ready, i-save mo lang siya. I-save mo lang. And then once done, you can just go back to the dashboard, and then you will see it there na you're done setting it up. Mag-appear na yun siya. As you can see, guys, pag i-open mo yung both timers, andyan na, Emzkie. Ayan, timer. Maglalabas na siya. So there are some other features, guys, na pwede mong laruin, but I did not explore more because it's not useful naman din sa life.